They're flying.
They're hungry.
Mark, they're hungry. Mark, look.
Oh, up there.
Yes.
Zia, look at there. Zia.
No. They like those birds.
Oh, say, give some food to the birds.
There's a nest.
Oh, that's flying.
Yes, that's right. There's
It's a
a
nest.
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 And what are the colors of the bird? Blue?
Don't shout,
Four,
anak.
no?
Ang lakas na loob ni kasi yan.
Okay, no.
Oh, yay! Ah. Oh, so many birds. Wow, so many. Yeah, go.
Hold this, hold. Oh, and then here. Here. Hold this one, baby. Hold this one. No, hold this. Hold. Okay, so give it to them. Give it to them. Yay!
Hey, my turn.
Hey!
No.
It's okay. It's only the pick of the bird. No more food. No more food for them. Okay, let's try. Hold it. And then give it to them. Hi. Just like that.
Yeah, it's a bird.
Come on, let's play.
Ah, pick up the chicken. Look up there. They are sleeping. Do you want to
Oh no. Go it too, yeah. Wala ka naman pagkain eh. So cute.
The bird knows it. I have
Oh,
nothing.
you don't have nothing in your hands. Hands.
Zia, follow me like this. Come here. Yay! No. Oh, careful. Here. I have to get some food so the bird will come closer to you.
You like, yeah.
Say hello to the bird first and then, do you like some food?
Not hungry.
Oh! How many birds? Count them all.
Ay, like that.
Oh, where's the nest? See, there.
Oh, they're flying!
It's a dog.
Gagawin mo, Mi.
And look at this video. So cute.
Gawin mo, Mi.
Yes, and this one is the house of the bird. Bird's house. Oh, we have no food because you threw them away.
Oh, ducks.
Look at the poo of the bird here. Oh, poo of the bird. Here. Look at the poo. Here, good.
Don't touch. It's dirty.
Touch it. Okay, let's go say bye to the birds.
Bye-bye, birds.
Yeah, you can go to the playground.
Bye.
There you go. Okay.
Let's go to the